Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral thumbnails for your YouTube video in just 3 clicks. No design skills, no Photoshop with this new AI tools. Let's get started. First, go to ThumbMagic AI. You find the link in description. That's where all the magic happened. Click on Create Viral Thumbnails. Now you can either paste the YouTube video link you want to generate your thumbnails for it, or simply upload your video from your computer. It's very simple. For this example, I'm going to take a round YouTube video. It's a say about the business behind Formula One. When you pass the link here, past process video, the AI will automatically analyze your video, including the transcript, to understand exactly what your content is about. That's why it can generate the perfect thumbnails for matches your video, story, and emotions. Next, it's time to create your avatar, basically your face. The face you want to your thumbnails. Make sure the upload clear picture for yourself, bright lighting, no big smiles, and directly facing on the camera. This helps the AI generate the most realistic and accurate results. Once your avatar is ready, choose thumbnail style or template you like it. The goal here is simple. Make your thumbnail look like the top YouTubers. Once your video instantly catch attentions. Pick style, click creating thumbnails, and the AI do all thing. In just a few seconds, here you go. You will see amazing scroll stop thumbnails creation for your video. Want to tweak something? Just hit edit with video and you can modify using prompts. For example, say pick me the black switch or change the background. AI instantly regenerates your thumbnails exactly how you want. Once you're happy with this result, just click download thumbnails and that's it. No need spend hour editing your thumbnails or paying editors. Just upload, generate, and download your next viral thumbnails. Try it now. You find link in description and start create first thumbnails for free. Don't forget like and subscribe in this channel for more AI tutorial. Thank you.